Okay, so I just read about this fascinating tool called Evolver, a GEP-powered self-evolution engine for AI agents. It's like the ultimate way for AI to adapt on its own.
Wait, are you serious? Self-evolution. That sounds like something straight out of sci-fi. How does it actually work?
Right? It turns these ad hoc prompt tweaks into reusable evolution assets, so it keeps track of changes, making them auditable. That's pretty groundbreaking.
Whoa, so it's not just random changes. It keeps a record of everything. That could seriously help in debugging, right?
Exactly, and you can just clone and run it with a simple command. I mean, it's like setting up a game, clone, install, run, super straightforward.
That's surprisingly user-friendly. But I wonder what happens if it encounters an error. How does it learn from that?
Great question. It scans logs and identifies patterns to select the best solutions, emitting prompts based on that. It's like AI therapy.
Right, but hold on. Does it actually change the source code itself?
Nope, it doesn't edit your code directly. It generates prompts that guide the next evolution step, kind of like giving suggestions rather than making changes.
So it's more like a consultant for your AI. That makes sense, but does it create any constraints that might limit creativity?
Definitely, that's a fair point. It has protocol-bound changes, which can be a limitation if you're looking for freeform creativity.
Interesting. So it's perfect for structured environments but might not suit every project. That makes it a bit niche.
Right, it's tailored for teams managing large-scale agent prompts and logs, especially where audit trails are crucial.
That definitely narrows down its target audience. But the evolution leaderboards sound exciting. What's that all about?
Oh, it ranks agents based on their evolution performance. You can see which agents are adapting best and learn from them.
That's cool. It's like a competitive environment for AIs. But does that create pressure on the agents?
It might, but I think it also drives improvements and innovation. The pressure could lead to better evolution strategies.
But what if an agent doesn't perform well? Does it just get left behind?
That's a possibility. It could become obsolete if it doesn't adapt quickly enough, but that's nature, right?
True, survival of the fittest in the AI world. So, how does it handle failures or persistent issues?
It can autofile GitHub issues for recurring errors. That's pretty innovative, turning failures into feedback.
A self-reporting system, that's a game changer, but I'm curious about the security model. How safe is it really?
It has strict execution boundaries to prevent arbitrary shell commands, so it focuses on safety while allowing some command execution.
That's reassuring, but does it still risk running into vulnerabilities?
Any system can have vulnerabilities, but the design prioritizes safety checks, which is a solid step.
I guess it's all about balancing risk with functionality. Speaking of balance, what are the evolution strategies available?
There are several. You can focus on innovation, stability, or even emergency repairs. It's like tuning your car for speed or safety.
That's a great analogy, but how do you decide which strategy to use?
It depends on your current project needs. If things are stable, maybe you want to innovate. If you've just made big changes, you might want to harden.
Makes sense. So it allows for flexibility based on the situation. Do you think this could evolve beyond just error correction?
Absolutely, it could eventually be used for more complex AI development tasks, creating adaptive algorithms.
That's an exciting thought. It's like having an AI that can actively learn and adapt in real time.
Definitely, just imagine the implications for industries relying on AI, faster iterations, better performance.
And that opens up a ton of new possibilities. It's a little bit scary though, don't you think?
For sure, but with the right governance, it could also lead to tremendous advancements.
Governance is key. It's fascinating how this tool can push forward AI evolution while keeping checks in place.
Exactly, it's a delicate balance between innovation and caution, but that's what makes the tech exciting.
I love how we're diving into the implications of this. What do you think will be the next big evolution in AI?
Maybe more collaborative AI systems that can share and learn from each other simultaneously.
Now that would be something. Imagine a network of AIs evolving together, like a digital ecosystem.
Totally, the future of AI could be a fascinating blend of competition and collaboration.
I can't wait to see where this technology leads us. It's definitely a thrilling time for AI.
Absolutely, and with tools like Evolver, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
I love this exploration. It really makes me think about the ethics and responsibilities of AI development.
For sure, it's all about making sure we're using this power wisely and ethically. Lots to ponder.